Hey everybody, it's time once again for another smoke detector unboxing video. The package is a little wet because it was sitting out in the rain. I got home from work like about an hour ago. So that open. Soggy. That's okay, I have to wash this carpet anyways. Little piece of tape. Alright. Okay, there they are. I was like, where are they? Okay, so here, first one, ESL, whoa, you're not in frame, ESL 206. And the second one is, whoa, it's a lot smaller than I thought. Teledyne Water-Pik D-2 SonicSiren. So, I've actually been after this one for a really long time. Ever since I saw Nathaniel's old video of his that he got. And, yeah, so, I'll take you guys down here. There's something in the box there. I thought it was like a little piece of plastic, and I think it was a piece of like some filter out of the ESL, some of that fiber filter. Yeah, so these came from a fellow alarm collector. I'm not sure if he has a YouTube channel or not, but if he does, as I always mention, I'll credit him in the description. And yeah, so he sent this to me. These actually came from a lot that was sold, I think, last year or the year before on eBay. And he was the one that got them, and he decided to sell a bunch of his collection. And I really was after these two, so I messaged him about them, and sure enough, I got them. So yeah, I think I'm going to do a separate video of each of them, specifically, like testing and like in-depth overview, but here's the D2, which is, like I said, a lot smaller than the D1. I didn't grab my D1, but when I make the video of this one testing, I'll compare it. And on the back, you got your informations in the battery compartment and the mounting bracket. And then the ESL, this is the 206, not the 706. And this mounting bracket should just snap off like that. And then got your informations on the back. And it looks like you must have attached this plug to it. So, put that back on. I'll of course do a more in-depth view of that one. And then of course this one, as you know, is basically the same as that one, the Gillette 941. They're basically the same thing. That one's a lot more yellowed. And the only difference is of course the logo. That one's ESL, that one's the Gillette G, and then the test button. This one's black, and that one's orange. And everything else, and the mounting bracket, of course, is also different. And these only came in line cord. So, yeah, I think that just about does it for this video. This was just the unboxing portion. And like I said, I will be putting out separate videos of these two, going in depth, comparing this one to the D1 and this one to the Captain Kelly model. So, yeah, I think that just about does it. So thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you in the next video.